Hi everyone, it's me Keegan.
And me JC.
And Brittany.
And Eric.
And you're watching the Smoky Mountain Family. And it is Suggestions Week, and today we're at her suggestion.
We are at Parrot Mountain, so you can see those guys in behind us. Beautiful place up here. I need to tell you a story though. A few years ago, we were dining at Five Guys in Gatlinburg, and Keegan felt that she was attacked by some pigeons.
She's so scared.
And then come up a little bit more to the tubing trip, and she was attacked by a pterodactyl-sized crane. She wasn't really attacked.
Oh, I told that one story a really long time ago where I had a parrot on my arm.
And she freaked out.
And it climbed up my head and started pecking me.
Yeah.
It did not do that.
That is not what happened.
That's not what happened.
That's not what happened at all. So, at any rate,
this could be really fun.
That brings us to today here at Parrot Mountain. And it's bound to have a great time here watching Keegan interact with these birds. And what did you say?
Okay.
What did you say you were going to do, Keeg? Conquer your fear of birds?
Not parrots.
All right.
And if you watch this video, don't think about her rating because she's afraid.
Yeah. Yeah. She's Keegan may have a different type of rating for this one. So, all right, guys, let's get it.
I'm not here.
All right.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Love you. I love you.
I'm not here.
I love you.
He loves me. Oh, look at that.
How y'all doing? Hey. Y'all's first time here?
Yeah.
Awesome. Welcome in. So she wants to hold her when you hold like a baby.
Hold him close to you.
Just like this?
Like this?
Yeah.
To your chest like a baby. Keegan, it's so cool. I'm afraid of it. What did you think about your baby?
I love him so much.
You had to hold it like a baby?
Yeah.
See?
I liked him. I just didn't like the blue guy. He didn't like me.
Keegan, it's so cute.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Put your other hand up there, baby. Oh, is that the same one from earlier? Look at those claws, man. Yeah.
Hold it like this, please.
Oh. It's got, you're conquering those fears. They got it.
My birds are fighting like Fury versus Wilder. Hey.
They don't like us if we don't got nothing.
You're getting too close to me with that beak, babe.
My hat.
She had one on her head.
The nursery.
Those like baby bears.
What is it? Huh? Yeah?
Hello. This one said hello to us and we wasn't even saying hi and then we're like, oh. So now we've been saying hello trying to get him to say it again.
Hello. Oh, hi.
This little guy over here, he's a troublemaker. He's tearing up his branch and he keeps jumping in his bowl, emptying his food to that squirrel who is burying them. To see if they talk is hello.
Yeah. Look how
He said it
colorful that
again.
one is. Look at this guy.
You pretty bird. I think he dances. That's what he does. He headbangs.
He goes, oh, oh.
Oh, yes.
Oh, hi. Look at those beaks. And they're different. Like his is all orange.
Oh.
Do your little dance dance.
Is it key?
Be good gardening.
Look at her. She's so
Scared to death. Hey, calm down, bud.
Did you guys hear the first one down there?
He is mugging me. Hey, what's up, bud? Don't stick your mohawk up at me. What are you doing, pretty bird? Got a little picnic area. Yeah, prayer garden. Oh, they got the manger scene.
I'm so proud of you guys.
Hey, babe.
Really?
Babe, you got bird poop on you.
They need to sell shirts here. Like, I went to Parrot Mountain and I got poop on my t-shirt.
So those ones that you were like, oh, some were just chilling on you. They were actually pooping.
Pooping on me, yeah.
Whoa.
All right, so that was Parrot Mountain. I'm gonna jump in with the rating. I'm all over the place with this one. I don't know, because it's like not like you can compare it to something, you know? And we got all the extras, the bells and whistles. I think I'm gonna rate it like a 7 or an 8, either one. A 7 if you have mobile impairity, just because now they do have a golf cart option that they can take you around the golf cart, but it is literally on the side of a mountain, and which makes it cute for me, but that's a selfish thing for me to say. So yeah, it's probably a 7, but I love it. I do want to say I love it. It's really, really steep if you have mobile impairity and you don't do that golf cart option. Hopefully that is a free option. I should have checked out with that.
But it is an option.
Yeah, but it is an option. I like everything. Like this many birds, and you would just go around and you were like, hello, like to all of them, because you don't know which ones talk, or just, you probably do, we don't. And one of them said, I love you. Like that was the cutest thing. I love the picture, and I like that the picture is up front. It's not one of those things where like you pay and then you go past this and they're like, oh, give us more money and you can do this. It's kind of up front. It was $120 after tax. That is a lot of money. So I would say you would have to enjoy birds to come here, which Jay loves birds. I like that they got to hold them with the picture, and the picture got printed out. It's weird, the process. That's another reason why the process to pick this up is really weird. They set them on this thing. So ours wasn't there in the gift shop, and then you have to go to the front desk, and you could tell she was trying to like ask questions and be nice while this was getting printed, because I guess it was overlooked. I don't know. There were some issues there. You can feed the birds like you've seen. You could do the quarter option with where they took a picture, or you could do the nectar option, which was $3 extra, and I feel like, I don't know how about that $3 extra per thing. That was $6 for both of them, but Keegan and Eric did that. You've seen that. and it was over in like 30 seconds, and then like they kind of get you out. Like you do it as soon as the birds are done eating, which is like 30 seconds. It's like, okay, you can go. You know, like I don't know how I feel about that. But you can spend the day here. I mean, if you like birds, you can spend the day here. They have a deli now. They have a lot of options. They have nachos along with burgers and chicken nuggets. There's picnic tables. So you could get $120 worth just by kicking it, staying the day. But for me personally, it's a 7. But I'm so glad it was suggested. I had a good time.
I would rate it a... Now, the rating isn't going to be like exactly perfect for me just because I don't like birds in general. I think they're scary. But I would probably rate it an A because I really like how many birds there is. And it's on the side of a mountain. I really like how you could buy some of the birds here. Like there's a little nursery where you can buy birds. I like the picture option. I like how you get to take pictures with the birds and like have like a ton on you. And then I also like how you get to feed them. So, an A.
What do you rate it, Jay?
I rate it A, and I feel like it's a really cool place, and yeah.
Okay, so I am going to give my rating in phases. Okay, so I know it's just hear me out. Okay.
Excellent.
So when I walked to the ticket counter, okay, no, back up. When we first pulled up, it's like there's like this Irish looking, walkway and just all the, I mean, it's landscaped beautifully and the birds are right out front. And like when you first see it, it's like, wow, this is awesome. So at that point I was at a 9. Okay. When I walked to the ticket counter and they started adding up the admission, we got the $1 off coupon. And then there was a fee for the picture, right? And then there was a fee for the food, which I kind of expected it to be like a thing of food, right? And it was a thing of food. So at that point, I'm like, and then it came up to $120, and I was like, oh my gosh. And I was at a 5 at that point. And then I came into physical contact with the first bird. And letting the kind of having them come out on your finger, and then having them on you when you were feeding and all that kind of stuff. I've never done anything like that, and so that was a special thing. And so now I'm back up right around a 9 at that point. I like what Brittany said about thinking about, because we have a lot of individuals that always are interested in is it handicap accessible, these sorts of things, ADA compliant. And I think for this being on a mountain, I think they've done a pretty good job of being thoughtful about being ADA accessible. I think they've done all they could. So that was really good. I think ultimately I'm going to take all that into account, and sitting here after we were done, it was a great experience. It's something that you just can't go anywhere and get. And so I'm going to give this an 8. 8's a good score. I think we all really enjoyed it. I may have enjoyed it a little more. This is one of the last hot days we're going to have here in the area, so it got a little sweaty walking around, but it was really cool. Anybody else?
I do want to mention that I do understand that the price is up there to pay because they're not open year round. They do have to feed the birds year round, so I understand that.
Yeah, and I mean, obviously, I don't want to be the person that's like, I just came into contact with hundreds of exotic birds from all around the country and not appreciate that. I definitely do appreciate that fact. I know it costs a lot to maintain this place and all that. I get it. But still, I had a little bit of sticker shock when I seen it. And I maybe was expecting it to be a little less. And that's probably more upon me than it was upon Parrot Mountain. So, like I said, great experience, guys. All right. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.